Good morning, all of you. The chapter is completed. We have to do the question answers. Let us see the question answer. Though it was given very clearly in your book, but some of the question which is not given very clearly, or whatever, or it is given very difficult language was there, or maybe lengthy, I will explain. I will dictate that answer. He will write. The first question is, what is volcano? It was given on page number 62. The first column, last paragraph, volcano definition. A volcano is a vent or opening in the crust of the earth connected by the conducting of underlying magma chamber. It means it was the opening of the vent. Vent means the fissure from where it comes out. It was an opening. And it also linked with the magma chamber inside the earth from which the molten lava, volcanic ashes and steams are ejected. Lava, naturally with the volcano's lava comes gases, and steam, when the water goes, steams are ejected. So the volcano is a vent or opening of the crust of the earth connected to the conducting of an underlying magma chamber from which the molten lava, volcanic gas and steams are ejected. Next question, how are volcanoes caused? It was given on page number 64, causes of volcanism. The 3 point was given. So you will write that only. The high temperature, the first point is a high temperature. You will explain. The temperature increases with the 1 degree Celsius at every 32 meters, and with the increase of this temperature nothing can remain in the solid state, everything is molten inside the earth. Second point you will write, the percolation of water turns into a steam, and with steam having a very high energy, and when the steam gushes out on the surface, with the steam the volcanoes, the lava also comes out on the earth's surface. The third thing is the crevasses. The third point is crevasses. The earth's surface having many crevasses from where the volcanoes come. So these 3 points you will write. Third question, how can volcanoes be classified on the basis of their activity? It was given on page number 63. The 3 types of volcanoes were given there: active, dormant and extinct volcano. You will explain these volcanoes with the help of examples. Like active volcanoes, you will write which erupts very frequently. You will give example like Stromboli, Helens, Etna. You will give example of these volcanoes. Similarly, the dormant volcano, which erupted, which takes interval in the eruption. You will write example of Vesuvius mountain, which erupted in 79 AD, and after 1500 years it erupted again in 1631 AD, and after that it erupted in the 1803, 1872, 1906, 1927 and so on. The third one is the extinct volcano. You will write which erupted in the history, but now it was dormant or extinct. You will give the example of Arthur Seat. There only it was given Arthur Seats, which is in the Scotland. So these are the 3 types of a volcano. With the example you have to explain, because the example also, sometimes the example also comes. So when you write this, learn with the examples of this volcanoes. The fourth one, name the 4 major type of a volcanic eruption. Page number 63. Page number 63 now. The volcanic eruption, you know, is of two types: the extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive means which comes out on the surface, and intrusive which remains inside the earth. So the different forms: intrusive we can take the batholith, localith, cell types, localith, phacolith, you can take that. And the extrusive form, ash and cinder, cone, lava dome, lava shield, composite and strata. All this, any 3 you can take, any 3 example you can take. What is volcanicity? Volcanicity is given on page number 66. The first point, see, content analysis in brief it was given. So volcanicity is a process which involves intrusion of magma in the earth crust and exhaustion in such molten material on the earth's surface. This process gives rise to volcanic eruption. Next question, what is a producer of volcanic eruption? What is products of volcanic eruption? What it gives? Generally it gives the lava, ashes, steam. It was given on page number 62. You have ticked just now the first question as what is volcano. There only the second column, the first line, molten lava, volcanic gases and steams are the products of volcano. Now next question, seventh question, what is crater? Crater is generally when the lava comes out from the volcanic eruption. At the top of the volcanic mountain, the V-shape, the opening is known as a crater. It is also known as a mouth of the volcano. That is only known as a crater. It was given on page number 67. It was given on page number 67. It was given on page number 67. Time was C. The second column, second point. An abrupt circular depression formed by the exertion of the volcanic material by collapse or the impact of the meteors. Crater. Circular depression formed by the extrusion of volcanic material by collapse or by the impact of meteorites. You write down only the first line, the abrupt circular depression formed by the extrusion of the volcanic material. Crater. Opening is crater. Question number 8. Question number 8. Name any four major type of a landform associated with the volcano. Landforms. How the many landforms are associated? Page number 63 it was given. The lava sea, as you have seen the batholith, locholith. All these are different forms. Lava shield, lava dome. You can take any three examples. You can take any three examples from there. Now next question we'll do in the next term.